Hello, good morning everyone. Mataijo 2035 here with an unboxing. Eh? So rockrolla. So four-wheel drive, eh? What type of hero do you want to be? 2.4 gigahertz. Oh yeah. So tell me if it's any good, eh? So we're going to do some off-roading. See? Rock, the king of climbing. So I only paid like $400 in Trinidad money for this piece of machine. So let's see, oversized tires, even in mountain roads, shallow water grass pavement can easily through. Okay, well, let you infinite, let you in. Oh well, seems like they couldn't spell, right? So enjoy crazy off-road. So we'll be doing off-road. Well, I'll test those shocks. I'll put it through the collision course. So high strength of shock, high strength of the shock, the climb in the rugged road also can easily climb over. Ask him, become a real mountain king. Okay, well, we're the mountain king then. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I'm excited. Now you see why? I don't know what I mean by anti-true sex. So which superhero you wanna be? Rock the king of climbing. So full functions climbing. Don't know what the third one mean, but anyway, radio control. So it looks like we got 4x4.